Hello.
Namaste, ma'am. Om Shanti.
Hi, Om Shanti. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good, good. Where are you in Rishikesh too?
Yeah, I am in Himalayan Yoga Association.
Okay.
You are at home?
No, I'm in Bali Yoga School.
Bali Yoga School. How many students are there for 300?
No, not 300. Oh yeah, I'm doing 300 hours. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
I asking
I'm
for
not sure
300.
if it's changing. I think it's changing at the moment. Some people, I think there's 6 or 7.
6 or
7.
7, but only you present here.
Yep.
Why they are not coming?
You should, I'm not sure. Maybe the school should ask them.
Okay.
So just so I know the class, what time it starts? This yoga, the autonomy class.
Anatomy class timing is here 12:45 to 1:30. Means in Bali.
Okay. Yeah.
plus 2:30 means
3:15, right?
2:15.
3:15, right?
What is time right now there?
It's like 3:30, nearly 3:30.
Yeah,
3:20.
3:15. So
3:15.
3:15. Yes.
Okay, so do you wait until the other class is finished, the other one, and then you start, or you start on
Yeah.
at 3:15?
No. Now earlier there is Durgesh ma'am class going on.
Yeah.
So after
Okay,
Durgesh ma'am
so
class,
when that
I
finishes,
start. Yeah.
and do you start on the same link, or
Yeah, same link.
do you change?
Same link.
Okay, got it. Okay.
You are not visible in video.
Oh, okay. Do we need to be visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are we going to do?
Please on your camera.
Yep. 1 second. They told us that we didn't need to be visible. So what are we going to study this term?
Anatomy and physiology. The introduction of anatomy and physiology.
Okay. Hi.
Yes. Hi. Namaste.
Hi.
Om Shanti.
Namaste. Hi. Okay, so are we starting, or are we what?
Yeah. Starting.
Okay. Okay.
Sit in any comfortable position.
Okay.
Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra.
Yeah.
Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya
Yogena Shastra
padena vacham
Navena Vacha
malam sarirasya
Malam Sharyasta
cha vaidyakena
Chavenesta
yopakarottam
Yopa Kristam
pravaram muninam
Paraminima
patanjalim
Patanjali
pranjalim
Prantanjali
ranatosmi
Vanatoshmi
oh.
Om.
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eye. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
So take your notebook.
Yep. Yep.
You know who is the father of anatomy?
The father?
Yeah, father
No.
of anatomy.
No, I don't know.
Write down, Herophilus is the father of anatomy. Herophilus, H-E-R-O.
Oh, yeah, 1 second. I just get the.
Yeah, okay.
So, in the book, what page you have the same book as us? This book,
No.
this one, this one. That, oh, we can't see it. This one.
Yeah, you have manual, but
Yeah.
there is a little different material.
Okay. Okay. So do we look in the whatever's in here?
Okay, you can see, but there is different material.
Okay. 439. I write it on here. 439.
Okay.
Okay. 439. Okay. So you were saying the father is whom?
Father of anatomy.
Yeah.
I think there is not given in prospectus.
Okay. Yeah. What's his name?
Herophilus, H-E-R-O.
H-E-R-O.
P-H-I.
P-H-I. Yeah.
L-U-S.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Herophilus.
Okay.
Herophilus of Alexandria. His native place is Alexandria. A-L-E-X-A. A-L-E-X-A.
Yeah.
N-D-R-I-A.
Okay.
Herophilus of Alexandria. The time period of Herophilus is 325 BC to 255 BC.
Okay.
Three 325 BC to 255 BC.
Okay.
So the Herophilus of Alexandria is the father of anatomy.
Okay.
Now next question is, what is anatomy?
So how does it work? So whatever they covered in 200 hours, do we do more deeper, or we do the same, or like, so what they did in 200,
not same in 300, little deeper.
little
And
different.
yeah, little deeper, and some topics are more than 200.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So next question is, what is anatomy?
So do you normally come to Bali yoga school when before lockdown you were coming here?
No. I am
It's all
here.
been online.
I am here only online.
Oh, okay. So even before lockdown, it was
Here
on.
I am here in Himalayan Yoga Association Rishikesh, and for here I am offline and online, and for Bali Yoga School I am here for online.
Oh no, but before COVID, did you also teach Bali yoga school or
No,
different
no.
teacher? No. Oh, okay. There was someone else coming from India.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you're teaching, are you full-time teaching at the Himalayan school?
Yeah, full-time teaching.
Okay. So what other you teach? You teach anatomy and what else?
Ashtanga Vinyasa.
Oh, you teach yoga as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Ashtanga Vinyasa only offline. Online there is other teacher.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
So next question is, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of body. Are you note down?
Yep.
Anatomy is the science
Uh-huh.
that studies the structure of body
Yep.
and body parts.
Yep.
And also study the relation between one body part to another body part.
Okay.
Anatomy have two branches. There is two branches of anatomy.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The first one is gross anatomy, GROSS.
Uh-huh.
Gross anatomy. What is gross anatomy?
All of it.
The gross anatomy studies the macroscopic, MACRO, macro.
Okay.
It studies the macroscopic structure
Okay.
like organs and organ system.
Okay.
Okay. The gross anatomy studies macroscopic structures like organs and organ system. And the second one is histology. Histology.
Okay.
HISTOLOGY. Histology.
Okay.
It studies the microscopic structures. It studies the microscopic structure like cells and tissues. Means gross anatomy studies the macroscopic structures which we can see with naked eyes, and histology studies microscopic structures which we can't see with naked eyes. Microscopy is required for seeing the tissues and cells. Clear?
Yep, clear.
Now write down, anatomy comes from Greek root word anatomia. Anatomy comes from Greek root word anatomia.
Yep.
Greek root word anatomia, anatomia, anatomia. It is the combination of two words.
Okay.
It is the combination of two words, ana and tomia, ana. Ana means up, up.
Okay.
Up, and tomia means cutting.
Okay.
So, anatomy, study of anatomy involves in cutting up or dissecting organisms. Study of anatomy involves in cutting up or dissecting organisms. The next question is, what is yoga anatomy? What is yoga anatomy?
Okay.
In order to understand through anatomical perspective, in order to understand through anatomical perspective, we need to know the structure and planes of the body.
Okay.
We need to know the structures and planes of the body and its different moving parts that create actions, such as flexion, extension, and internal and external rotation. What is flexion? You know?
Flexion, you mean flexion and the other one, when you're extension. Yeah, exactly.
So what is flexion?
Flexion is flexion when one way, and then deflection is the other way.
Yeah, one way, other way, but that is not definition now.
Yeah,
the decreasing angle between two body parts are at a joint, the decreasing angle between two
so which
bones.
which is flexion?
Yeah, this is flexion.
This is flexion.
Yeah, and increasing angle between body parts is extension.
Extension. So flexion is smaller.
Yeah.
Extension is making it longer.
Extension. Yeah, extension is.
So what about your leg? When you're extending your leg, if you're making it longer, it's extension, and you're making it smaller.
Yeah, when you taking your leg towards stomach, that is flexion.
When you bringing your leg up this way.
Yeah.
flexion.
Yeah.
But what if you're putting it to the side? It's extension, right?
No, that side is not extension.
If I'm getting my leg and putting it to the side, it's not extension.
No. Taking it side is not extension.
Why?
Because it is going away from midline.
Going
That
away,
is
yeah.
not, yeah, that is not relation with flexion and extension.
Or we can't talk about flexion. No. Only if it's midline.
Yeah.
So midline only in vertical.
Midline is our vertebral column.
So the
And
hand, if I'm putting my hand, or let me just take
Yeah.
off.
If you're taking your hand
Example, yeah.
yeah.
So example,
You are
if I'm
taking
doing,
up, this is
Yeah.
flexion. This is
if I'm
flexion.
doing this, it's flexion.
No, not side.
No, this, if I'm doing this, is
Front.
flexion.
Yeah, this is flexion.
And this is extension.
And you're taking down and back.
Wait, if I'm doing this is extension, right?
No,
Because extending.
this also flexion. This is also flexion.
Why is this flexion?
Because this is the upward movement, and here is one imaginary line for flexion. And if you taking it back, that time it will be extension.
So what if I'm doing this? What is this called?
This
From
is
up to down.
This is extension. Up to down and taking it back also is extension.
I don't understand why this is flexion.
Draw one imaginary line from here.
Okay.
And it is making angle from here, this imaginary line. If you're taking up, this angle is going to decrease.
Okay.
Decrease, and when you take it down, it angle increases.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
So there is 3 broad areas of anatomy.
Okay.
First one is human anatomy. Three broad areas are there of anatomy. First one is human anatomy.
Yep.
Second is animal anatomy. That is also known as zootomy. ZOOTOMY, zootomy.
Okay.
And the third one is phytotomy.
Okay.
Phytotomy, that is plant anatomy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And anatomy is the part of biology and medicine. Anatomy is the part of biology and medicine. Are you from bio background?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. You are from Bali or anywhere else?
No, I'm from UK.
You are from UK. Okay. The next question is, why anatomy important in yoga? Why anatomy important in yoga?
Yep.
So the answer is, a study of yoga anatomy covers the anatomy of body's muscles. A study of yoga anatomy covers the anatomy of body muscles, joints, tissues, membranes, cells, and much more.
Yeah.
Study of yoga anatomy covers body's muscles, joints, tissues, membranes, cells,
Okay.
etc. And it is important for all yoga instructors.
Yeah.
It is important for all yoga instructors to understand what is occurring within the body
Yeah.
to increase the blood flow to each muscle. What is occurring within the body to increase the blood flow to each muscle, and how this will affect the body, and how this will affect the body.
Okay.
So this is the importance of yoga in importance of anatomy in yoga. And next question is, what is benefits of yoga anatomy?
Okay.
Benefits of yoga anatomy. So answer is, basic understanding of yoga anatomy helps in healthy practice and understand what's going on in the body when we break down its yoga poses.
Okay.
Basic understanding of yoga anatomy helps in healthy practice and understand what's going on in the body when we break down its yoga poses.
Okay.
And by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, we are able to analyze why a student can or cannot do a certain yoga posture. By learning yoga anatomy, we are able to analyze why a student can or cannot do a certain yoga posture.
So we can tell if someone cannot, by learning the anatomy, we can find out why.
Yeah, we can find out now why one student can do and other cannot do due to flexibility, mobility, and rotation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question is, what is physiology?
Yep.
What is anatomy? Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of the body.
Yes.
But physiology, here physiology studies the function of the body. It
Okay,
is
so
the
physiology is a function, and
anatomy studies structure, and physiology studies function.
Physiology is the function.
Yeah.
Yep.
So physiology studies the function of body and body parts.
Yeah. Okay.
And function of other organs, relation between one organ to another organ.
Exactly.
Physiology comes from the Greek word physiologic.
Okay.
Physiologic. Physiologic.
Okay.
It comes from Greek word physiologic.
Okay.
A French physician, Jean Farnell,
Uh-huh.
French physician Jean Farnell, Jeanferrnel. A
Uh-huh.
French physician Jean Farnell. His time period is 1497 to 1558.
Yep.
Age first time introduced the term physiology.
Okay.
He first time introduced the term physiology from Greek root word physiologic.
Okay.
The meaning of physiologic is natural philosophy.
Okay.
So he taken the word physiologic and create one new word, that is physiology.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Next question is, what is human physiology?
Yeah.
It studies the function of human body in health and disease.
Okay.
It is a science that studies the human body function in health and disease.
Okay.
Next question, what is pathology? What is pathology?
Yep.
You know what is pathology?
Like the blood.
It studies the causes and effects.
Yeah.
Causes and effects of disease and injury. It studies the causes and effects of disease and injury.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So enough for today's class.
Okay.
Any question?
Um.
I will ask.
Yeah.
I will ask these questions tomorrow.
Yeah. So yeah, I have a question. So the structure of the class, how many days is this class going on for?
Monday to Saturday.
Yeah,
Every
but
week.
how many days?
Yeah, every week, Monday to Saturday, from 2nd to
What
26th.
day? 26. Okay. Now, what is the structure we are following in anatomy?
I will teach after this the skeletal system.
Okay.
Skeletal system in detail.
Yeah. No. If
Yes,
there's some structure, it will be. But if you can give me some structure, what we're doing, then it's easier for me to follow.
Yeah. After this is the introduction class.
Okay.
Today's class was introduction class. After this, skeletal system. After skeletal system, bones.
One day we do skeletal, or many days?
No, many days. It takes many days.
Anything written down you could send me so I can follow it?
Repeat again.
Is there any way you can send me the structure so I can follow the structure?
Okay.
Like you do introduction, then you're doing this, and then you're doing.
Yeah, I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow's class.
Yeah, if maybe or email or something, it helps to follow. Otherwise,
Yes,
I don't know what I'm
yes.
learning. It's not. It's easy.
I will tell you tomorrow's class how to follow.
Okay.
One
You
by
have
one.
it written down on email or something?
Yeah.
Or WhatsApp?
No, not WhatsApp.
Okay, on email you can send.
No, I will tell you tomorrow's class. in tomorrow's class, I will tell you, and you can note down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye.
So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight, eyes closed, adopt chin mudra.
Oh, actually, they're just calling. They're just calling to say start the class, the yoga
Yeah,
class.
okay. I will take just 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, followed by 3 Shanti. Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eye. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you so much. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.